Hello, it's Rob here from Academy of Inner Resonance, and today I thought I would look at the crystal red jasper. The way these videos work, I'm going to give you a bit of the scientific on the crystal, then a brief bit on the historical, then the energetic properties, then where to use it in the energy field and how to use it in daily life, then a bit on the astrology, and then finally just a bonus bit. Red jasper is a form of quartz. It's part of the quartz family called chalcedonies, which is when there are tiny microscopic crystals compacted together, microcrystalline, and there's a subdivision of that, the jaspers, which is the opaque form of chalcedony, when you can't actually see through them. With red jasper, it's a silicon dioxide, and what gives it the red colour is traces of iron oxide. Red jasper is a fairly common mineral. It's 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale, so it's fairly hard, and you find it in cavities in rocks. It doesn't actually form crystals in nature. What you'll get is chunks of it which they put in a tumbling machine, and you end up with tumbles. Look like this. In terms of the historical, red jasper was used in ancient Rome within columns and pillars, within carved intaglio rings. These were worn by powerful businessmen within the Roman Empire. They would authenticate documents by stamping the ring into hot wax to create a seal on their documents. It was also used in ancient Egypt within scarabs and amulets, and in the Native American tradition it was associated with the blood of Mother Earth, and it was seen as a sacred stone. Now the jaspers, there's a lot of different jaspers: red jasper, yellow jasper, bloodstone, ocean jasper, etc. What they have in common is they're all grounding crystals. They all have a friendly, very supportive energy. Now red jasper is a medium range grounding stone, and being fully grounded or earthed, it keeps you healthy, keeps you sane. The more grounded you are, the higher you can go safely, and the more you can work energetically. So red jasper is very supportive. It can help with confidence, strengthening for the whole energy field. It can help somebody have more courage. It can bring more vitality, more life force generally. It also has absorbing qualities. In terms of how to use red jasper, I would only use it on the base chakra, a small tumble. I would carry it around with me. You could sit and hold it, meditate with it. That's a good way to strengthen your energy field. Anything that helps with grounding or earthing, such as this stone, is going to help you to manifest your ideas, to be more in the physical, which itself helps with your health. You could, if you wanted to, have it under the bed. If so, at night, I would have it near your feet to help anchor you. I wouldn't have it near the head. I also wouldn't use it on any other chakra, apart from the base, and I wouldn't surround myself in it in a pattern or anything like that. So you wouldn't want it anywhere near the crown or the upper chakras. Astrologically, I would link red jasper with the sign of Aries, ruled by Mars. Vitality, courage, strength, obviously the red colour, but also to the 3 earth signs, maybe Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, because it's a grounding, earthing stone, and also Scorpio. Mars used to rule Scorpio, and I think that the red, the passion, the drama, that's definitely Scorpio qualities. There's also a form of red jasper called brachiated jasper, which I've got here, so you can compare them. You can see the colours are a little bit different, and they've got other colours in them. The red's a little bit different, a little bit deeper. And this brachiated jasper is from the word brachia, which is a geological term which is used to describe when broken bits of rocks have come together, cemented together, to form a new matrix in the crystal. And that's why there's other colours in there, like blacks, greys, yellow. You can see yellow. The energy of these, I would say, to me feels a little bit more grounding, a bit more earthing, a little bit denser in vibration, but otherwise everything else I would say still applies in terms of the properties.